Hey guys, this is Bobby from Brightnex LED, and today I'm going to show you how to connect our 12 volt strip lights. This is our standard strip light. It comes with the female connector soldered on already. And these are our connectors for our cut strips. This is a double end connector. It's good for connecting two strip lights together with a little bit of space for wire. This is our single end connector. It's good for connecting one side to the strip light, one side to your transformer. This is our L-shaped connector. It's good for connecting it if you want it under a cabinet or any corner pieces. And this is our butt-to-butt connector to connect two strip lights together without any wires. If you have any questions, please visit our website at www.brightnexled.com.